In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a page in Google Docs. Whether you're creating worksheets, building templates, or you simply want to reuse the same layout without starting from scratch, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Docs file in your browser. Once your document loads, scroll to the page you want to duplicate. In Google Docs, there isn't a one-click Duplicate Page button, but duplicating a page manually is still super easy once you know how. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, go to the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover over Break, and then click on Page Break. As soon as you click it, Google Docs will create a brand new blank page right underneath the one you want to duplicate. This gives you the extra space you need to place your copied content. Now head back to the original page. Highlight the entire section of text, images, tables, or anything else you want to duplicate. You can drag your mouse to select everything or use the shortcut Ctrl+ if the entire document is just one page. After selecting your content, right-click and choose Copy or use Ctrl+C. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you've selected all the elements you want to move, double-check that nothing is accidentally left out, and ensure that your formatting is consistent before copying. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues like missing text or broken layouts. Once your content is copied, scroll down to the new page you created and right-click inside the blank area. Select Paste or use Ctrl+V to place your duplicated content on the new page. After that, you should see a perfect copy of your original page appear instantly. It's also a good idea to scan through both pages afterward just to make sure spacing, images, and formatting transferred correctly. Taking this extra step ensures everything looks clean and professional, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to duplicate a page in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?